Welcome to 202 Middlesex Avenue, Unit 1, where urban living meets modern elegance. This beautifully renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom condominium offers a lifestyle of comfort and convenience in a prime location. Nestled within a charming 2-family home with undeniable curb appeal, this residence is more than just a place to live, it's a place to thrive. Imagine waking up each day in a home that exudes sophistication. The 2022 renovation brought this space to life, combining contemporary design with timeless finishes. The moment you step through your private entrance, you'll be greeted by an expansive chef's kitchen. Here, the joy of cooking is elevated by sleek white shaker cabinets, gleaming granite countertops, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Picture yourself hosting friends and family in the open living area, where sunlight just pours in through the large sliding glass doors that lead you to your own private patio, a perfect spot for morning coffee and evening relaxation. Energy efficiency and sustainability are seamlessly integrated into your lifestyle with recently installed solar panels, keeping your electric costs predictable and affordable. And when it comes to those hot summer days, central air conditioning ensures you'll stay cool and comfortable. The lower level is designed with flexibility in mind, whether you're unwinding with a good book in the cozy living area, enjoying a glass of wine from your personal wine fridge, or hosting overnight guests in the comfortable bedroom. This space adapts to your needs. The added convenience of a full bathroom, laundry room, and extra storage ensures that everything you need is right at your fingertips. Location is everything, and this home places you in the heart of it all. A short stroll brings you to the bustling Wellington Circle Shopping Plaza, where shopping, dining, and fitness options abound. The nearby Orange Line MBTA station makes commuting a breeze, while the scenic Torbert McDonald Park and vibrant Assembly Square Mall are just minutes away, offering endless opportunities for recreation and entertainment. This is the lifestyle you've been dreaming of.